Welcome to our virtual tour of 24 Kendal Lane. So just coming into the property, and we're straight into the living room and kitchen area. Just recently refurbished, really is fantastic. So into the kitchen. Got a 5-ring gas hob, 2 ovens, big fridge and a big freezer, loads and loads of storage space, and then we've got a dishwasher there as well, breakfast bar, and then a massive living room, big high ceilings, plenty of seating for 8 people. Nice big TV on the wall. So from the ground floor we'll head down the stairs into the basement. So down here got an extra dining room, again with a TV. Again, plenty of space for 8 people to sit and eat, and in here also got washer and a dryer. Coming out to the dining room, just to the left there's a little toilet on its own. And then we have a nice big bathroom with a shower over the bath, toilet and sink. And then from there we're into the first bedroom. So basement bedroom, but really high ceilings. As with all the rooms, you've got floor to ceiling built-in wardrobes, plenty of shelving in there as well, and a built-in desk and additional shelving on top. So coming out of there, back up the stairs to the ground floor. Back through the living room, and then into the second bedroom. Again, a really big room, really high ceilings, big windows, really light and airy in here. So we've got the built-in desk with the shelves above again, and the floor to ceiling wardrobes. So plenty of storage in there, shelving and hanging space. So out of here and up the stairs to the first floor. So on this floor we've got first bedroom, again, a really big window, nice and bright. Then behind the door we've got more floor to ceiling wardrobes. Bedroom 3. Then into bedroom 4, identical to bedroom 3 really. And this floor we've got the next bathroom, it's a big shower tray, sink and toilets. And upstairs to the second floor, you can see the property's being finished to a really high standard. So bedroom number 6, same theme as the others, nice big windows as well, nice and light in here. Into bedroom 7. And then finally, the last bedroom. So 8 really good sized bedrooms, all with fantastic built-in furniture. And then into the final bathroom, so the third bathroom. Big double shower cubicle, obviously sink and toilet. So that was our video of 24 Kendal Lane, our 8-bed, just down the road from the University of Leeds. Thank you for watching.